Work in the field.
Thutha wa kimurikia minista wa ihinda wa githomo Dagitari Fred Matiang'i ya kurehe ugarũrũku ministry-inĩ ya githomo kumurika University ya Presbyterian, arutwo a thukuru ni matũgĩrĩtie ikinya rĩrĩ makiuga matiamũkagĩra ikĩro iria ciagĩrĩire cia githomo.
We want to congratulate Matiang'i for closing that school. The school does not qualify to be a university.
We have no qualified lecturers. The management is poor. We have no enough facilities.
Ona gukira no Arutwo ni mahoete thirikari gutigirira niyamacariria mieke mathukuru-ini mangi niguo mahote gutwarithia mathomo mao na mbere gutari na muhingoro wothe.
We want the real information from the government secretary so that we can know the way forward.
Na sisi kama government sponsored turudishiwe pesa na tuende shule nyingine tuweze kuendelea masomo yetu. Maana sisi wenyewe hakuna kenye tunafanya hapa na hatuwezi enda class, tumeambiwa tuende class lakini hakuna walimu wenye wanatufunza.
Kuringana na muikariri giti wa kamiti ya kuramata githomo kia university Professor Chacha Nyaigotti, augite ni mambikite miario na urugamiriri wa thukuru uyu niguo gutigira arutwo ni mahota gutwarithia githomo kiao na mbere.
Students who are still attending classes there, if there will be no capacity to offer those classes at Presbyterian, then we work with the university leadership to relocate those students to other universities.
Chacha ugite muoroto munene wa kamiti no ni gutigirira ni agacirithia githomo kia ngathi ya iguru na njira ya gutigira university ciothe ni ikinyanĩirie ikĩro kũringana na watho wa kuramata mathukuru maya.
We at the commission are going to work with trustees, are going to work with the government, are going to work with all the other stakeholders to ensure that we run quality programs. And quality programs, quality students, you admit qualified students.
Akirutira mukana ma university mangi maria matakinyanĩirie ikĩro, Chacha ugite ica ikuhĩ ni megũtabania ũthuthuria na gutigira ni mahinga ma university mangi maria matuite mathomo biacara ya kuguna andu kiumbe.
So we will continue engaging the universities to try and find solutions for the challenges that they are facing. And where we find that institutions are not able to solve the problems that we will be unraveling, we will not hesitate to also revoke their letter of interim authority.
Makire mugo Chacha Nyaigotti anyitite miothe ministry-ini ya githomo kunyitanira niguo gutigira ikiro cia githomo ni ciambatira bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ngugi wa Gatua.